Meaning of fluorine.
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 Fluorine. Fluorine is a chemical element with the symbol F and atomic number 9. It is the lightest halogen and exists as a highly reactive pale yellow gas at standard conditions. Due to its high electronegativity, fluorine can form compounds with almost all other elements, making it useful in a variety of industries, including medicine, electronics, and manufacturing. However, its reactivity also makes it potentially dangerous, and exposure to high levels of fluorine can lead to respiratory distress, bone and tooth damage, and other health issues.